Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to insert SIM cards in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of our phone and see a hole here. This is the hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Bring SIM ejector tool and insert into this hole. Now, the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Now keep your phone aside, and in the front side here we are seeing one slot. Okay, this is the front side slot, and in the back side you are seeing another slot. So you can insert two nano sims here. Okay, no SD card provision is given, only two sim cards. Two sim cards of nano type can be used. Okay, so in the first slot, insert one sim card. I bring one nano sim here and insert in this position. Okay, in this position, and flip the sim tray, and in this tray, in this slot, put another nano sim. Okay, now bring another nano sim and insert in this position. Insert in this position and flip the tray again and bring your phone and insert into your phone. Okay, now bring your phone and insert this tray into this slot here. Okay, now check, two sim cards are detected here, and set up your sims are showing here. If you would like to set up, click on next, otherwise cancel. Okay, click on next. I click on next, and it is always a preferred sim card. Okay, it is asking for preferred sim for calls. If you would like to use sim 1 for the card preference, select 1, otherwise select 2. I select 2. Okay, otherwise you can choose first option, ask always. That means for every call your phone will ask whether to choose from sim 1 or sim 2. Okay, and click on next. Similarly, preferred sim for messages you can set here, sim 1 or sim 2, and then click next. Preferred sim for mobile data also you can set. Okay, suppose if you want to off, click on third one. Okay, and I click on first option only and click on done. Yes, sim card have been inserted successfully. Click on done, and in this way you can easily insert sim cards in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.